Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel Future of Driving. This is the Plymouth Horizon 2025, a stunning blend of innovation and classic American style. Let's start with what catches the eye, the design. The Horizon is a departure from traditional Plymouth, with sharp lines and futuristic curves. Yet, it still manages to retain that classic American muscle car vibe. The LED lighting system is a masterpiece, giving the car a distinctive, almost otherworldly look. Under the hood, the Horizon packs a punch. Equipped with a hypothetical advanced engine technology, this car delivers exhilarating performance without compromising fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising the highway or conquering winding roads, the Horizon's handling is precise and responsive. Interior: step inside, and you're greeted by a world of tech. The interior is a harmonious blend of luxury and functionality. The massive, curved display takes center stage, providing intuitive control over everything from climate to entertainment. And let's not forget the advanced driver assistance systems, including list of features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous parking. But the Horizon isn't just about speed and tech. It's also about sustainability. With its hypothetical eco-friendly feature, e.g. hybrid or electric powertrain, you can enjoy the thrill of driving without guilt. Plus, the interior materials are eco-conscious, showcasing Plymouth's commitment to a greener future. Whether you're a city dweller or an adventure seeker, the Horizon adapts. Its versatile design and advanced features make it suitable for any lifestyle. The Plymouth Horizon 2025 is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement about style, performance, technology, and sustainability. This is the future of driving, and it's here. To make this script even more engaging, consider adding expert interviews, customer testimonials, or behind-the-scenes footage of the car's development.